All right, so what we did is that we harvested our pumpkins, and then everything that was left of the plant, we chopped it up. All right, and we let some of that stuff sit inside of the dirt, but we did remove the big roots. All right, and I don't know if this is going to help out, but to me it makes sense that the leaves would decompose in there, and then it would become food for our plants. And so we raked out the big chunks, and here we are stirring up the dirt.
Oh, I see something. And Buc-ee. There's a Buc-ee behind you. There's a Buc-ee behind Aries and there is a Buc-ee.
Okay, let me get in there and move it around.
I see a piece of tape.
Okay, get into it out.
Let me make sure I see you. See you?
Can you see me?
Yep, I can see you. There's a Buc-ee appearing. There's a Buc-ee appearing.
Okay, cool. So we're gonna smooth out this dirt, okay?
I can see you, Dad.
You can?
Yep.
Good.
I am a Buc-ee.
Okay, let go, let go, let go.
There's a Buc-ee.
So we're gonna smooth all this out so we can get ready to plant. All right, that looks pretty flat to me. What do you think, guys? Does this look flat to you?
Yep.
Do you think we're ready to plant?
Yeah.
Do you guys see any weeds or anything there that we can pull out?
No. Broken weeds.
Yes, try to pull those out.
Yeah, there's some broken weeds.
Get them out. We don't need them in there.
Oh, the ant let me pick it out. Hand it away so I can pick it out.
All right, well, if you can get it out, let's get it out.
Ah! When I throw that on the side.
Show me what you got.
Probably got the big one.
Paulo, show me.
We're going to plant bunching onions and spinach.
Okay. So what we got is Renee's garden. We've got these USD organic long-standing spinach gangbusters, and we've got these botanical interests, and these are going to be onion bunching scallion white libsyn, and we're going to try to plant these now. It's September now. We just harvested our pumpkins, and we're going to attempt to grow these before it gets cold here. It says 45 days. Let's see if we can make it happen. What do you think, guys?
Yeah.
You think we can make it happen?
Yeah.
It's worth a try?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to put in the work.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. One.
We're gonna plant our spinach in the back, and we are gonna plant our onions in the front.
Excellent.
And this is a shape that's a rectangle, okay? Remember that in your head, okay?
Yes, and these are our seeds. I want you to check them out. Tell me what you guys think. Look, my palm is right here, guys.
Okay.
Look, check this out.
There are that.
Look at those seeds.
They look like coal.
They do look like coal, right? That is really interesting. Have you ever seen that?
No.
Look, touch a couple.
Oh my They feel like sand.
Okay, well don't drop them. We don't need them growing in our grass. We need them growing over there. Okay. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and make a groove across the back here, like Aries said, and we're just gonna go about an inch, inch and a half deep. All right, and then I'm gonna clean all that stuff up, and this is where we're gonna plant them. That way they have room to grow, and then we'll place our bunching onions here toward the front. Let's do this one more time so we have a good, clear, defined line, and then we can go back in and clean up everything that's there. Can you guys start picking out all the stuff that's there toward the back?
Now this dead plant.
Yes, get it out.
This dead plant.
Get it out the way. Look, Paulo, you can start over here on this side.
Oh, don't touch me with that.
Oh, you threw it right back in there, Pop.
Why not?
Don't make yourself do double work.
That's what we call double work.
Aries, that's a new tactic there. What are you doing? A plank? Up? Are you doing a plank while you garden over here? These are our long-standing spinach seeds, and I'm going to let you take a look at them.
It's like it's not the queen.
Look at them. That's interesting, right?
They look like a rock.
Okay, so now, here, you want to grab them?
Hard, can you dump it into my hand?
Okay, so look, guys, what we're going to have you do, I'm going to give you some. You guys plant over here. One of you is going to plant a few of them right here. But just plant a couple. Just put them in a row right there.
Do you press them in or you just drop them?
Just drop them in there for right now.
Am I gonna eat?
Make sure, yeah, we don't want any in the front. Here, Paulo. Put them over there on that side. Put them over there. Here.
That one?
Go. Put them over there on that end. Put them in a line. Put them in the line, in the groove. Good job, guys.
Put them each of them apart.
All right. And I'll get in there and I'll get the middle, okay? So basically, if you tap them like this, you'll be able to find your groove to get them in there. Look.
I did a lot.
Let me see.
I put them in line.
Whoa, get back. Okay. So let's take a look. Let's take a look at them. Let's see how they look. Step back, Polly. All right, so those are inside of our groove right there. And I think we have enough seeds to make another groove. So let me cover these up.
Can I cover this side, Dada?
Let me get over there first. Let me show you how. So basically all you're gonna do is barely cover them up.
I'm gonna cover the other side.
Hold on, let me be there over there with you. Okay, go, Paul.
Say color.
Barely cover them up. Come on, guys. Go. So we're gonna make another groove about 8 inches away.
Planting flowers? They else can make that. We have the money to do that. That's when we did it. So I want to. Okay.
It's actually really simple.
Right. So, bunching onions is a little different.
What is different about them?
That you have to scratch a hole.
Go, show me how to do it. So you scratch a little spot like that, and you're going to be putting about 10 seeds in there. So can you guys scratch little holes like that along here like this? Scratch a little hole
Let
like
me
that.
do that.
Okay, scratch a little hole like that.
Yeah.
And then we're going to put about 10 seeds in there. All right, guys?
I see a little seed. I saw a little seed, so we're gonna plant it.
Okay. Okay, so you want to do about 10 seeds.
1, 2, 3. Oh, is that?
Yes, that's about 10. So put them in the first indentation right here in the ground. Put them in there. And cover it up. Just cover it up. All right. That's good. Okay, Paulo, let's do the next one. Leave it alone. Don't pack it down. Don't pack it down. Okay, you ready? Here, let me see your little hand.
Take a little bunch.
Wait, keep your hand down. Keep your hand down. Keep your hand down like a little cup. Like a little cup. Make it like a little cup.
Do as much as me.
Okay, now put them right here in the second indentation. Okay, now cover it up. Just a little bit. Okay. All right, now I'll do the rest, guys, to make this a little bit faster.
Can I do a smaller one too? And can I do one too, Dad?
I don't know if you could see them coming out, but there's about 10 of them there. Come on.
There's one.
Right there. A little indentation right here. It's just supposed to be a little indentation, not too much, guys.
Don't touch that.
Ooh, that's a lot. There's gonna be a bunch of onions right there. Can you hear that, guys? A bunch of bunching onions.
Bunch. No, that's a joke. bunch onions. That my turn, Dad.
You want to put them in this one here? Okay, you guys put them on the last two. These are gonna be our last two indentations. Okay. So Paula, let me see your hand. Make it like a little cup. Wait, let me see. Okay, put them in there. Oh, you're gonna pick that one? Okay, now cover it up. Okay, Aries, come over here. Do you see the indentation you're gonna put it in?
Yep.
Okay, go put it over there. Right here.
Here?
Yes. Go put them in there. Cover it up. Okay.
Look at away, Aunt.
That's it. No, let's push it down. Then we got some more over here, so I'm gonna make one more indentation for us. And see if we can capture them falling.
Dad, dig the worm out. Get the worm out. The worm needs dirt. Get out the ink. Probably will die. There we go. It died.
Okay, we still got another little bunch here, so let me find out where I can put this one. Let me see. Move. Okay, we got a few more left. I'm gonna just pick this little spot right here.
Then you gotta water it.
Okay, go. And you make sure that it's a light stream. Just shower it. This is like a shower. Make sure that it's wet, that they drink. You don't want to soak it. Just let it.
It's my turn, Dad.
Let them get wet. Okay, Paulo, come on. If you want to try it, come on, because it's just a little bit.
Dad, you water here.
Okay, ready? Ready, Polly? Let's go. Okay, that's enough. That's enough.
That's how you plant bunching onions and spinach. And Arizona Apollo Beaver Adventures.
A beaver adventure. Do you guys like planting?
Yeah, beaver, yes.
You guys gonna be farmers one day?
Yeah, I go to be a beaver farmer. Actually, do you comment down below if you like this song? Do you like there's a beaver appearing? Do you like that song?
Okay, now y'all could say, do y'all Buc-ee song, go.
There's a beaver appearing. I'll probably go like this. There's a beaver appearing.
There's a beaver appearing. Man, you guys drove me crazy with that song.
Do you like this song? Do you like this song? Do this song later that says beaver. There's a beaver appearing. And comment down below. Do you like the song that says the beaver is appearing? Comment down below if you like that one. Song. Appearing. There's a beaver appearing. That drives me nuts. Pick up this weed. That's that a weed. I'm gonna throw it. Ah! I'm beating up the weed, Dad. I'm gonna let me beat up the
So
weed.
this stuff will grow
Oh, let me try.
pretty much anywhere. It's so cool. Look, these are all bunching onions, like you can tell.
Weed. Cause look, weed. You see if this is weed that even plant.
Yeah, that's a weed. You can get that one off.
Cause weeds can kill them. Is this weed, Dad?
Go.
But what's this? It's good to take out the weeds. You know why? Because it can hurt the plants, or make them die, or it can choke them.
Okay. That's why we cleared them out. We got them looking a little bit cleaner than before. Right?
See, if you plant bunching onions, these right here are bunching onions.
Yeah, they look like grass. So this is cool. You ready to eat some spinach?
Arizona Apollo Adventures. If you like this video, like and subscribe.